Hello everyone and welcome back to the Jantek Industries product demonstration video series. My name is Kellen and today in this video we're going to be taking a look at our EnergyMiser double slider window. So the double slider window is a window that can encompass a wider opening. You have your window frame and then you have your sashes that fit in the frame. Both the frame and the sashes are fusion welded together at the corners, which prevents any separation at the seam. Both sashes are going to be operational. So you have your hardware here, your double cam locks, and then you have your sashes. They're going to slide left to right, left to right. When both sashes are fully shut, that's when the window can lock again. So should you want to clean the sashes, all you do is lift up the window sash and pull it out of the frame. Now with the sash removed, what you can see on the bottom are going to be the heavy-duty brass rollers, along with the weather stripping that goes around the perimeter of the window and the rubber bulb seal. To put the sash back in the window frame, take the top of the sash and stick it back in the window frame and drop it right back in. And then you can shut it and lock the window all the way. So just like the front end, on the inside, you have your fusion welded sash and frames. This is an example of what the color beige AccuBond or paint would look like on the exterior, but the standard is white. They do come with half screens, but if you want a full screen, you're more than welcome to get that. There's no additional cost. If you're interested in getting more information on this window, such as its performance specs, make sure to download the product sheet on the product information page. If you want a tele-estimate for replacement windows or patio doors, select the tele-estimate feature on our website, that's jantekwindows.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.